we'll guide you through how to upgrade to the Vercel Pro Plan. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see an overview of your current projects and settings. Look for your account icon in the top right corner and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. This will take you to a page where all your account details are displayed. Now, scroll down to find the Billing section. Here, you can review your current plan details and see an option to Change Plan. Click on Change Plan, and you'll be presented with different plan options. Choose the Pro Plan from the list. You'll see a breakdown of the features and pricing. Make sure this plan suits your needs, then click on Select Plan. You will be prompted to enter your payment details if you haven't already saved them. This usually involves entering your credit card information and billing address. After entering your details, review the charges and click on Confirm to finalize the upgrade. Your account will be updated to the Pro Plan immediately, and you'll gain access to all the additional features such as increased team collaboration, enhanced performance analytics, and priority support. If you encounter any issues during this process, you can visit Vercel's support page or contact their customer service for assistance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.